Today I'm going to show you how to change your artist profile on UnitedMasters. There are a few things to keep in mind. Changing your artist name on the debut plan will only work for future releases. For select members, you will have the ability to change your name for future and past releases. Please understand that you can only change your name twice if I'm correct. This is not a UnitedMasters restriction, it's a digital store restriction. So think carefully before you put Lowell in front of your name. Now that that's out of the way, once you're at the home screen, move to the sidebar and click on Settings. Now you'll see your artist name and you can simply click on it. You will get a warning regarding the things I previously mentioned. Hit Accept and you can change your name to whatever you want. I'll make mine Lil Scuba Diver. Hit Enter and you're done. Yep, it's that simple. So I don't want to change my name. However, the next screen will ask you if you've already distributed under this new name or not. So select whichever option is applicable to you. If you select yes, you will be asked for your Spotify and Apple Music profile links. If you select no, then you will just need to put in your new name and your records will be distributed to this new profile that will be made for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Consider liking and subscribing, and then have an amazing night.